So guys, saying again one more management game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 653 by the name of 2 sum 4 input is a BST. BST means binary search tree. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving our question number 653, and in today's question, there are the two examples are included. So with a diagram, so we will see both of the example diagram also. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So let's move to computer screen and let's try to solve today's question in pattern 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, let's try to solve today's question. In today's video, we are solving our question number 653 by the name of 2 sum 4 input is a BST. BST means binary search tree. Okay, and we are solving this question, and this question total 1.1 million people has submitted it, and only 6,97,000 has been accepted. And total in today's question there are the many topics are included like hash table, two pointers, tree, depth first search, breadth first search, binary search tree and binary tree. Okay, so it must be little bit harder question. Okay, but we'll be understand it. Okay, it has given me the root of a binary search tree and an integer by the name of k, in which we want to return true if there exists two elements in a binary search tree such that their sum is equal to k or false otherwise. Here example 1, here you can see it, in which he wrote down 5. Okay, here you can see it. So let's give him the red color and then wait like this. Here he can write in here in the example 1 diagram, here he in the top, here he can write in down 5, then 3 and then 2 and then 4 and then 6 and then 7. If you see 5, 4 is in the brown color, 3 and 6 in the light blue color like sky green color, and 2 and 7 is in the pink color, in the light pink color. Here you can see it. So if you see the colors are different. Okay, so let me tell you why. Because here you can have an integer array by the name of root, in which he wrote down 5, 3, 6, 2, 4, null and then 7. And then here you can have an integer by the name of k, in which he wrote down 9. And the output has been coming true. Okay, and now let's see the example 2. This one first example, in which there he created a one binary search tree, in which he wrote down some numbers like 5, 3, 6, and then 6 is going to the 7, and then 3 is going to the 2 and 4. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, and let's read the question one more time. It is giving me the root of our binary search tree and an integer k. We want to return true if there exists two elements in a BST such that their sum is equal to k or false otherwise. Okay, so let's see the second example. Here in this second example, there is not any color is mentioned. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, let's select this all the circles and then copy this all the circles and then simply paste it here. Sorry, paste here and then come down, select him and come down, come down, come down, and then simply put him like this. Okay, now here he wrote in on 5, 3, 6, 4, 2, 7, but these are not in the colors. Okay, but the upper one in the example 1 diagram, these all the letters are numbers are in color. Okay, in light blue color, in round color. And the example 2 diagram of numbers are not in any color. Okay, why? Let me tell you. Because here he given integer array by the name of root, in which he wrote in down 5, 3, 6, 2, 4, null and then 7. And here he given an integer by the name of k, in which he wrote in down 28. And the output is coming false. Okay, so there are the 4 constants are also being included. Okay, so let's start to, in the first example there the output is coming true, so that's why these all the numbers are in colors. And in the second example we know the output will become false, so that's why these all the numbers are without color, without any color. Okay, but there these are only digits. Okay, so let's try to solve this question in pattern 3, and this is an easy one question which we are solving. And this question, in today's question, there are the many topics are included: hash table, 2 pointers tree, depth first search, breadth first search, binary search tree, and binary tree. So let's try to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's start to solve it. So first of all, you only want to do it, unzoom it. So then all the frame you will be see the code. Class solution def find card root optional tree note comma k int and give the space, okay, after the k, bool, and then scene equals to set def dfs not semicolon, if not return false, if k minus not vl and scene, okay, semicolon, define and return true, enter scene dot add node dot vl, okay, define and return dfs node dot left or dfs node dot right. Enter, return dfs and then root. So we have added all the codes, and the last thing is to run this code. I know these videos are ending very easily because these questions, codes, and the learning is very smaller because the questions are smaller, and I will be understand it quickly, and then I will solve these questions quickly. So that's why. But let's see the running code. Okay, so when I run this code, so now the okay, in the line 9 it's giving me an error. So by the mistake my true spelling is incorrect. Okay, so let's correct this. So I have corrected. So let's see the running code now, and you can also be in the premium, you can use the debugger. Okay, let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted, and the case one, the expected output is true, and also output has been coming true. In the case 2, the expected output is false, and also output am coming false. And you can also be see from this I button, you can also be see this graph. Okay, here you can see it in both examples. Okay, let's see the running submitting code. So when I submit this code, so now submission code is also be accepted, and I beat total 81% people. I did not beat total 100% people. Okay, I only beat 81% people, but it's not bad, not bad. Okay, so now I have submitted this question, and the submission code is also perfect. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solve our question number 653 by the name of 2 sum 4 input is a BST. And you can also be view my profile. My profile name is Rayyan, and I want to change my profile picture because it is very old one. Okay, so let's put the new one. So where's a new one? So let's put the new one which look beautiful. Okay, let's come down, let's see where's my image. Is there is my any image? Let me see. Okay, let's see, is there is image, is there is my image. So let's come down. Okay, so let's come down. Okay, here my images will become, here you can see it, but without background the image will be not good. Okay, no, it is not best. Okay, no, it is not look good. So let's come down. Okay, okay, so one thing I want to do it, come out of my hair, come down. So I am putting this image, and first of all let me give him the exposure like this and contrast. highlights, shadows, and like this, netty, saturation, okay, brightness should I give here, okay. So I will be change it, okay, when the video will be closed in, okay. So let's give him the background blue, okay, save. So when you save this, and now let's come on it here, choose image, let's post this image, let's zoom this, perfect, and then save. So here I also we changed my image. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, in which is all of question number 653, and you can also view my channel to solve more amazing questions, okay. And come out in my playlist, and come out in my LeetCode camp playlist. So please access my playlist and bookmark it also, because it will be also be help you in your career, okay. Because these questions are my opinion is, you solve this question, then you'll be ready for the FANG jobs, okay, like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Netflix. This type of question is practice for FANG jobs, okay. So now let's meet in the next video, next very amazing video. So for today, goodbye.